PCSA stock analysis and PCSA stock prediction. In this 1-minute video, I'm going to show you exactly what I'm going to do in trade. I'm the only guy in this space that's done 40,000 videos and has proof of everything, so I've seen what's working and what's not. Especially with this thing, it sort of pumped up. This is why there's a lot of like freaking traction around this thing now. It gapped up like crazy the day before. And I don't think, like, when I look at PCSA, it's not that I'm bullish, you know. It's quite the opposite. I'm not looking at this and like, okay, it's about to freaking, you know, run big. No, it's actually quite the opposite. Yes, we grab a ton of liquidity. There's no doubt in my head that we're just going to run past these lows at 15 cents. You know what I mean? So PCSA, I'm not sure if I have previous receipts. Yes, I do have 4 receipts, and that's very Gucci in the Discord. And if you do want to learn how I'm making 5-10K per month trading, click the first link in the description, get my free emails and insights, and I will continue to keep you updated. So goodbye and enjoy. Nothing else that I would add.